Sambhal is grabbing a lot of headlines. Remember, for different reasons. First is the excavations right now. Remember, the past few weeks, we have witnessed surveys. And is there a return to Sambhal as a historic seat, the city of Kalki, that possibly Yogi Adityanath administration now wants to, taking a cue from history and legends, to push it ahead. Remember, after that abandoned temple was found, and that reflected on a forgotten Hindu exodus and violence against the community, Yogi Adityanath has said there are more relics waiting to be discovered in Sambhal. There is search for more than 50 pilgrimage sites. Is Sambhal the next Ayodhya and Prayagraj with regard to promotion of religious tourism? In fact, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister says only 18 out of 68 pilgrimage sites have been found, and then went ahead to say, one day whole world will wear saffron. Let's listen.
देखिए, संभल एक सच्चाई है और मैं बार बार कहता हूं इस बारे में। देखिए, मैं एक योगी हूं, हर पंथ संप्रदाय उपासना विधि का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जबरन किसी पे कब्जा करके किसी की आस्था को रौंदे तो यह स्वीकार्य नहीं, ये कतई स्वीकार्य नहीं है। खासतौर पर तब संभल एक सच्चाई है, संभल का महत्व। संभल एक तीर्थ रहा है, 68 तीर्थ थे वहां पे, अभी हम केवल 18 निकाल पाए हैं वहां पे। जो हमारे कार्य चल रहे हैं 18 हम निकाल पाए हैं। 19 कूप थे, 19 के 19 कूप हम लोगों ने निकाल लिए हैं, जिसमें उत्खनन का काम हम करा रहे हैं। आपने देखा होगा 56 वर्ष के बाद पहली बार वहां शिव के मंदिर, भगवान शिव के मंदिर में जलाभिषेक का कार्य हो पाया है। क्या कर रहे थे लोग? जो ठेका ले लिए हैं तमाम जाति के नाम पे बांटने का, क्या कर रहे थे वहां पे? इस बार हमने बजट के लिए मथुरा वृंदावन के लिए पैसा दिया, पर्याप्त रास्ता बड़ा स्पष्ट है, रास्ता बड़ा स्पष्ट है, पैसा दे दिया है। हमारा कार्य आगे बढ़ने वाला है और ये कार्य होंगे। देखिए, जब अवसर मिलता है तो चूकना नहीं चाहिए, और जब अवसर आया है तो दुनिया मुझे कुछ भी सोचे मेरे बारे में, ये सच है। मैंने भगवत बाना धारण किया, ये मेरी पहचान है, हमारे सनातन की पहचान भी है, तो मुझे तो इस पे गौरव की अनुभूति होती है, और एक दिन पूरी दुनिया पहने की देखना।
Srivastav joining me for the latest on that. Samar, there has been a legend around the Sambhal area that in many ways, if it were to become the town of Kalki, so to say, but how is Yogi Adityanath going ahead with this mission, as he says, without possibly having any communal incident erupt?
Well, exactly. CM Yogi Adityanath is very serious about Sambhal, and that's why he's calling it a town of Kalki. Because if you talk about the Ved and Purans that CM Yogi Adityanath and many other BJP leaders surrounding Sambhal are referring to, say that the next avatar of Lord Vishnu, that is Kalki, that will happen in Kal Yuga, will happen in the Sambhal, in the area where Sambhal district exists. So that's why CM Yogi Adityanath is repeating this particular thing and calling it a land of Lord Kalki, and that's why he's even saying that a Lord Shiva temple, ancient old temple was found in Sambhal, and we saw how people offered prayers and how Hindus gathered at that particular place to offer prayers, because it was found. Another Hanuman temple was also found, where we saw an image, an idol of Lord Hanumana was right there. It was also ancient old, and what we saw in the investigation, that it was inside one particular house of one particular community. So that's what CM Yogi Adityanath is referring to. He even says in the budget he'll be sanctioning much money for the development of Sambhal, not just the development of Sambhal, but to turn it into a pilgrimage site, as the government is dedicated towards the pilgrimage thing, be it in Prayagraj, Ayodhya, Varanasi, and also Chitrakoot. Now Sambhal is also on the list, in the list of CM Yogi Adityanath, and that's why he is referring to that particular pilgrimage sites. A total of 18 pilgrimage sites have been found by the Yogi government. Now CM Yogi claims that a total of 68 pilgrimage sites existed at that particular place.
And how will the Chief Minister and his administration go ahead with trying to discover and then take control of over 68 pilgrimage sites, out of which he says only 18 have been discovered for now? We'll be tracking that and more. Meanwhile, Sambhal, remember, has become the headline right now, and for a different reason too. There are some communal hotspots in this region. It's a sensitive location in Uttar Pradesh ahead of Holi celebrations, which this time coincidentally are also on the day when the Friday namaz prayers are offered, and it's the month of Ramadan. Uttar Pradesh government has ensured guidelines this time to ensure there is no communal clash of any kind. Authorities have been mandated to ensure deployment as a precautionary measure. Authorities in Uttar Pradesh, especially in Sambhal, have ramped up security measures ahead of celebrations. So there will be, so to say, a holy procession route on which 10 mosques are located, including the Jama Masjid. It may be covered using a tarpaulin on the occasion of the holy procession, at least till the procession is on. And latest guidelines say all sensitive areas will be visited by the cops. And even for Holika Dahan, on the eve of the Holi, there are going to be strict guidelines put in place to ensure it's all smooth and safe. Police will also reach out to the community leaders, both from Hindus and Muslims, to ensure that there is dialogue and peace. Cops will ensure specially monitoring of areas of mixed population or where the procession routes are, which means CCTV, drones, extra number of deployment have been done of the cops. But the Delhi BJP, interestingly, has jumped on this. They echo what a Sambhal cop had said, that if members of the Muslim community are not too happy, they can, with the colors and Holi, on that day, they can stay indoors and offer their Friday prayers. Mayor of Bihar's Darbhanga, meanwhile, has another suggestion, saying that Holi celebrations on 14th March should be halted for 2 hours so that namaz prayers can go on, because that timing cannot be changed.
Holi celebration is just a day away and Sambhal is under tight blanket of security. Currently, I am here at the Shankar Chowk, at the main market of Sambhal, which witnessed violent riots last year in the month of November, where 5 people have lost their life. But keeping all that in mind, the administration have deployed heavy police as well as RRF and PSC constables and police personals on the ground to keep eye on the situation. As you can see in the visuals, I am here at the Shankar Chowk, the main market of the Sambhal, which is few meters away from the Shahi Jama Masjid, and not here. Various places which are seen sensitive by the administration, like these police personnel are deployed there with anti-riot gears. 3 layers of security has been planned in the city to control the situation, as well as the city has been divided into 6 zones and 29 sectors. Not only police personnel, but police and other departments are keeping eye via CCTV and drones on the ground. And here you can see in the visuals behind me how police personnel are deployed here, because only 1 day is left for the Holi and Friday prayers are coinciding on the same day. Keeping all that in mind, the administration is also talking with peace committees. They have formed various peace committees, those who are bringing people from various organizations, masjid committees, mandir committees on one platform to request peace. With cameraman Pradeep Gupta, Anmol Bali, Sambhal.
सभी लोगों से अपील भी की गई है कि 2:30 बजे से पहले अपना होली खेलें, और 2:30 बजे के बाद में जिन लोगों को अपनी जुम्मे की नमाज अदा करनी है वो लोग अपनी नमाज अदा करें। दोनों समुदायों के लोग शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से इस त्योहार को मनाएं, सहयोग करें पुलिस और प्रशासन का। कोई भी व्यक्ति जिसको अगर जबरदस्ती गुलाल लगाया गया है और वो फील करता है इस तरीके से, तो उसको संबंधित पुलिस थाने या चौकी पे जाना चाहिए। पुलिस उस पर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करेगी। किसी भी व्यक्ति को कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
मैं मेरे मुसलमान भाइयों से विनती करूंगा कि नमाज इस बार हमारी 1 साल के अंदर ये त्यौहार आता है, हम आपका सम्मान करते हैं, आप भी हमारे त्यौहार का सम्मान करिए। इस बार नमाज अपने घर में ही पढ़िए, ताकि आपको हमसे कोई शिकायत ना हो कि ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया, और शांति बनी रहे। इस शांति के साथ मैं उन सब लोगों से प्रार्थना करना चाहता हूं कि आपके 52 बार आप शुक्रवार आते हैं साल के अंदर, इस बार निवेदन करता हूं कि आप अपने घर में पढ़िए, ताकि हम भी हर्षोल्लास के साथ अपनी होली को मना सकें, सद्भावना के साथ, प्यार के साथ, क्योंकि ये प्यार का त्यौहार है।
मैंने अपने बयान पे खेद प्रकट किया है, और जो है सुबह से मेरे पास हर तरह के आदमी आ रहे हैं। मुझे कोई जो है बांग्लादेशी कह रहा है, कोई देशद्रोही कह रहा है। तो मैं मीडिया कर्मी भाइयों से ही कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर ठीक है, आप मेरे बारे में जांच करा लीजिए। अगर कुछ ऐसा पुख्ता सबूत मिलता है तो मेरे पे जो सख्त कार्रवाई होती है वो आप करवाइए।